good it goes.
Chase this one.
Yeah, chase him. If it starts to slow down, because I don't know how long the battery lasts. It's a 12 mAh battery, but how long it goes for, I don't know. Bring it closer here. How good is that, huh? A little bit deeper because just take it all the way to the back, not too close to the shore, just in case it hits the thing or it hits the sand underneath. See here, if it stops, the wind will take it out. Yeah, you have to give it a bit of an adjustment. The wind picks it up, see? So the other one's red. See how it doesn't tip? There's no way you can tip it. Even with the big waves it doesn't tip all the way to the bottom.
Oh, there we go. It's gone.
What did you do to it?
Nothing. There we go. Oh. Oh, can't turn.
Just leave it straight.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know what happened.
What happened? How do you turn it off? Turn out the now.
Wait.
Wait, I got it back.
Siga, siga.
Yeah, it's come back. Right, I got stuck.
Let it go the way it is.
Yeah, it's gonna follow there, isn't it?
Hey?
Might be a bit.
Try it slightly.
No, it's alright, yeah.
Yeah, the way you were doing it up and down.
You have to go.
No, you don't have to do this.
Give it a go, let's try it, isn't it? We gonna stop it?
No, turn it the other way.
I'm gonna do it here.
No, if you're gonna do anything, just do it there. So I don't have to go on the fucking dip to get it.
So I'm gonna give it a go.
Alright. But don't from one to the other, just let it settle.
No, I got stuck, the rudder got stuck.
Before.
Yeah. Look, I'm doing it now.
Is it doing by itself?
No, I'm doing it.
Oh.
No, it's good now. The rudder got stuck before.
Yeah.
See.
Well, the rudder is the motor, the whole lot is.
Oh yeah, so it must, yeah, but it's got a big fin down the bottom of it.
Yeah.
Do you reckon this will go against?
You don't take it too far there, just in case it's running out of battery.
How fast did the other one go?
Ooh! What, the ones they sell?
Yeah.
Slower than this. A lot slower than this. But the one with the petrol engine,
It's
fucking that
turning
good.
left by itself.
Yeah, it does a bit. Because the propeller goes that way.
It's pretty good.
But that's a toy as well, you can play with it.
It doesn't go that fast.
Hey?
The cruise is pretty nice. It cuts the water.
Beautiful. Oh, we keep running into battery runs here, fuck it.
What's the time? What time is video?
I don't know, the video will tell me.
We'll take it up that way again.
Yeah, whoever's gonna go can pick it up.
Do you reckon we'll push that ball with it?
Oh, go for it.
No.
Yeah, try it.
No.
Go for it.
I'm going to take it.
Go for towards the ball, see if you can hit it.
No, it might be shallow there, that's all.
Hey? No, it's not.
Yeah.
No.
How many's there?
Yeah, but
Shallow. Hit this ball.
go for the ball, go for the ball. See if you can go.
I'm not going for it.
Come on, come on. Go for it. Go for the ball to 10. Aim it. Go for it.
I'm going to go all the way there and turn it back. Because that's what's pushing the most. We're in shallow there.
Might get a bit shallow there. Yeah.
Yeah, by itself. That's against everything we have by itself. Ooh,
Which way does it go?
I've adjusted it all.
Oh, you did? It still does it?
No, that's going straight now.
Yeah.
Look, if I go that way.
Yeah. That's right, yeah.
So I went the other way.
Yeah, as long as when the wind hits it, will bring it here, you know. If it's further down, it will hit the thingamabobs, the shallows, what do you call it? The mud, yeah. I won't be able to get there, get all muddy. Along here, it's alright. It's fucking good, isn't it?
It's good. It's pretty good.
We'll see how I try to tip it, it won't tip. Let's see, 10 around, it's getting a bit shallow there. Still going, the battery.
How can this push a big boat?
Yeah. Not fast, but it does 2, 3 knots, 4 knots.
How long is it supposed to last for?
Half an hour.
Half an hour?
Yeah.
One battery?
Yeah. Don't forget, it's a big motor.
Uh-oh, here we go again. Uh-oh, stop. Got it. That went by itself.
Yeah, that's alright. See, here it's safe because wherever it goes, you can get it. It doesn't turn?
Yeah.
Oh. Fucking good, great. I'll take a few photos and that's it. Don't get it a bit shallow, we'll keep, hit the bottom.
No, that's it.
Oh.
Here we go.
Yeah, don't keep.
It must be here.
Right?
Shallow, isn't it?
Yeah, it must be hitting something, it does it.
Good power.
Let it settle down a bit. It don't go too far out. Just see when the power drops,
Yeah.
the same battery supplies the radio as well. The same battery supplies the radio.
I think it's just hitting something.
Hey?
It's hitting the ceiling.
It could be hitting back in the bottom. But it does that. Hey? You should see how fast the other one goes with the petrol. The one that got sitting there on the thing. With the water jet at the back of it. It'll start to slow down here. Didn't it? You think it's slowing down?
No, it's the same.
Hey?
Same. No, it's not
16 minutes.
too bad. It's taking 16 minutes just to get out there.
Hmm? Yeah, that's what I mean. You have to have enough power to get down back. It's a bit slower now, isn't it?
I'll tell you now. Ready? You can see the back. Ready? Yeah, it doesn't turn as fast.
Yeah.
No. Yeah, it's slowing down. Keep going. You stop it. I'll do it that way. I've got it.
Yeah.
Doesn't turn
When you
as
stop
fast.
it, you just drop the other one all the way back.
Yeah. I'm gonna stop it and roll it in. Front.
Yeah.
Head on. You wanna stop it?
Yeah. All the way, that's it.
Look at that. Roll it in. Sit in.
Beautiful.